Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy to have you here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom, and today we're going to talk about something really important for everyone, health.
Yes, health is such a big part of our lives. If you're healthy, you can do everything better: work, study, travel, and just enjoy life more.
Exactly. And it's also a great topic to practice in English because we use words about health almost every day, like how we feel, what we eat, and how we stay active.
That's right. So, Tom, let me ask, how have you been feeling lately?
I've been feeling pretty good, to be honest. I've been trying to take better care of myself. I go for a walk every morning, and I eat breakfast before starting work. How about you?
That's great. I've been okay too, but I've been a bit tired lately. I think it's because I've been sleeping too late. I really need to fix my sleeping schedule.
Oh yes, I know that feeling. I used to stay up late watching videos or reading news on my phone, but now I try to go to bed around 10 or 11. It's not easy, but I feel more energetic when I wake up.
I agree. When I sleep well, my whole day feels different. I can think clearly and stay in a good mood. But when I sleep only a few hours, I get grumpy and can't focus.
Same here. Sleep is so important, but a lot of people forget that. They think coffee can replace rest, but it can't.
True. Speaking of coffee, do you drink much?
Not too much anymore. I used to drink 3 cups a day, but now just 1 in the morning. What about you?
I drink green tea instead of coffee. It has a little caffeine, but it's more gentle, and it helps me relax.
Oh, that's good. I should try that. What about food? Do you usually eat healthy meals?
I try my best. I like rice with vegetables and fish, and I love fruits like mango and papaya. But sometimes I can't resist snacks or fried food.
Same here. I eat healthy during the week, but on weekends, I like to treat myself with pizza or ice cream. I think it's okay to enjoy food sometimes.
Yes, I agree. Health is about balance, not perfection. As long as we eat well most of the time, a little treat won't hurt.
That's a good way to think. I also try to cook more at home these days. When I cook, I can control how much salt or oil I use.
That's smart. I love cooking too. Making a colorful plate with vegetables and rice always makes me happy. And it tastes better when you cook it yourself.
Absolutely. And cooking can also be relaxing. Sometimes I listen to music and cook slowly. It's like therapy.
I love that. So, do you exercise often?
I walk every morning for about 30 minutes. Sometimes I jog a little or do light stretching before breakfast. What about you?
I do yoga 3 times a week, usually in the evening. It helps me stretch and relax after sitting all day.
That's nice. I've heard yoga is really good for stress. Does it make you feel calmer?
Definitely. When I finish yoga, I feel calm, light, and peaceful. It's like my mind becomes quiet for a while.
That sounds wonderful. I think mental health is just as important as physical health. If you're always stressed, your body also feels tired.
That's so true. When I feel stressed, I like to take a short walk, listen to calm music, or write in my journal. It helps me feel better.
I do something similar. When I feel stressed, I play guitar or take Max, my dog, out for a walk. Fresh air always helps.
Aw, that's so cute. So, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs, toast, and some fruit. I also drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. It wakes me up.
That's a healthy start. I like oatmeal with banana and honey, or sometimes rice porridge. I try not to skip breakfast because it gives me energy for the day.
That's a good habit. I used to skip breakfast when I was younger, and I always felt weak by lunchtime.
Yes, breakfast really is the most important meal of the day. It helps you focus and keeps you from eating too much later.
Exactly. And I also try to drink enough water. I carry a bottle with me all day, especially when it's hot outside.
Me too. I try to drink at least 2 liters of water every day. It keeps my skin healthy and helps me feel fresh.
Do you ever take vitamins or supplements?
Sometimes. I take vitamin D because I don't go out in the sun much. What about you?
I take vitamin C, especially when it's cold season. It helps me avoid catching a cold.
Oh, that's a good idea. Do you get sick often?
Not really. But when I work too much and don't rest, I sometimes get headaches or feel dizzy.
Same here. When I'm stressed or skip meals, I get tired easily. So that's why I remind myself to eat on time.
That's smart. I think taking breaks is really important. Even just 5 minutes to stretch or walk makes a big difference.
Absolutely. When I sit too long at my desk, my back starts to hurt. So I always stand up, stretch, and move a little.
Good idea. I also try to walk instead of using the elevator sometimes. Small habits can make a big change.
Yes, you don't have to go to the gym every day to be healthy. Even small activities like walking, cleaning, or gardening help.
That's true. And don't forget about mental health. Spending time with friends, laughing, or just relaxing can help a lot too.
Exactly. Happiness is a part of health. When I'm happy, my body feels stronger and my mind feels lighter.
Same here. That's why I always say laughter is the best medicine.
That's yes. It's a simple medicine that everyone can afford. Just smile more, right?
Exactly. Do you ever go for a health checkup?
Yes, about twice a year. I like to make sure everything's okay. Blood pressure, cholesterol, all that.
Me too. My doctor said everything looks good last time. He told me to keep walking and eat more vegetables.
Good advice. It's always nice to hear that we're doing something right.
Yeah. Sometimes we only go to the doctor when we're sick, but it's better to check early before any problem starts.
Yes, prevention is better than cure. That's something my mom always says.
That's a wise saying. So, what do you do when you feel sick?
I usually drink warm water, rest, and eat light food like soup. If it doesn't get better, I go to the doctor.
I do the same. Rest is the best medicine, and I always drink lots of water when I have a cold.
Same. Also, I try not to stress too much about being sick. Sometimes our body just needs time to heal.
That's true. Staying calm helps the body recover faster.
Yes. So, if you could give one tip for good health, what would it be?
I'd say move your body every day. Even if it's just a short walk, do something to stay active. What about you?
I'd say listen to your body. If you're tired, rest. If you're hungry, eat something healthy. And always take care of your mind, too.
I love that. It's about balance. Eat well, sleep enough, move often, and think positively.
Exactly. Health isn't just about your body, it's about your lifestyle, your habits, and how you feel every day.
So true. Everyone listening, remember to take care of yourself. Eat healthy, drink water, get enough rest, and find time to smile.
Yes. And tell us, what do you do to stay healthy? Do you have any good habits or tips? Share them in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast, share it with your friends, and keep learning English with us every week.
Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep practicing your English.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now. Take care and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.